My name is Mark Russell. I am the Chief Development Officer for Silver Brands. We operate 26 restaurants under the umbrella of Silver Diner and Silver New American Brasserie. With our extended operating hours, we are very hard on the equipment. We're open from 7 in the morning till 2, 3 o'clock the next morning. We're busy all day. So the stuff is constantly in use and we push it to the limit. We are at a point now with 26 locations that we're too big to not have a facilities manager, but too small to afford a dedicated facilities manager. Finding a reliable local equipment company that can come in a prompt fashion, get the work done the first time, do it right, ServiceChannel takes care of us. The deciding factor why we chose ServiceChannel, it came down to ServiceChannel Managed. Particularly when we are expanding into different geographies, the time saved for the managers to be able to handle a repair issue with one simple request on the phone or on the tablet and let ServiceChannel take it from there, avoid our people having to make multiple phone calls. So it's really helping my managers manage their time a little bit better so they can stay focused on what they need to do, which is taking care of our guests. It's critical for us to deliver our brand to our guests and our associates, be able to make sure that all the equipment is functioning properly. The implementation process was amazing. And ServiceChannel reps were there to walk us through every step of the way, to be able to customize it to my needs, use the language and the nomenclature that we use in our particular restaurant, and to help us set up the issues list. Because if you think about it, you have to really brainstorm every piece of equipment in a store. What could possibly go wrong with it? What are the steps to resolving the issues, etc.? ServiceChannel manages that for me. Manages that for my operators. So it gives me peace of mind that everything's being maintained at a high level so we can get the longest service life out of this equipment that we can. One thing I would have done differently as a facilities leader is that I would have bought ServiceChannel much earlier. It's the basic principle of management. If you want something to improve, you have to measure it. And if you can't measure it, if you don't have something to measure. So by nature, I like to be proactive rather than reactive, because that saves everyone a lot of time, aggravation, and frustrations to anticipate that there's going to be a problem with something. Now, if a fryer is 7 years past its service life, there's going to be an issue with it. That's just the nature of the beast. We're able to now address it directly with facts, not opinions, and that helps make the vendor better. That helps make us better. It also helps with the education from our operators to be able to see and track how these things work, how they're supposed to work, so that we can prevent future problems and continue to deliver an extraordinary experience for our guests.